Hello, my name is April Perry, and I'm a member of the team that produced the 6th version of the Skillcourt product this past semester. This video will outline some of the shortcomings of the semester as well as features on our wish list for the next group. First, we will overview our shortcomings. This semester, a coaching profile was established. The coach has the ability to create a team of players and monitor their progress. One aspect that this new coaching team feature should be used for is to allow the coach to create his or her own custom sequences and have the ability to assign that sequence to a player or to his or her entire team. This will be a convenient feature if a coach wants to test a specific player on a specific skill or wants to assign homework assignments of sequences that he wants his whole team to practice and improve upon. Yet another shortcoming comes within the statistics arena. We currently have swipeable views of different statistics. Near the end of the semester, real data of a player's game was finally stored in the database. At this time, we decided to store the time duration of the game within the database as well. This value, along with the total number of hits count, can be combined into some sort of visual diagram that can display the speed of play for a player during that particular game. Speed of play is an important factor in soccer, and we can break this statistic down to look at our endurance, accuracy, and many other important parts of being a soccer player. Yet another shortcoming came from the completely brand new integration of Wi-Fi between the Android application and the Arduino itself. Every time the Arduinos are hooked up, their IP addresses are found via a developer and manually imported into the code, recompiled so the app knows where to acquire the connection from then. It was thought that we could dynamically find these IPs ourselves via code, but by the advice of the electrical engineers that were in charge of this Wi-Fi piece, it was going to be a bigger bite than we could chew this semester. The last thing that was suggested by someone earlier on this semester would be to accomplish some sort of tutorial or user walkthrough available for a player or a coach upon registration or available to them whenever they feel need be within the application. Maybe even a short video of the app being run through with all the different features and how they work could have sufficed, but we did not get around to such tasks this semester. We hope that these shortcomings could be tended to next semester, but there are also a few other things on the wish list and backlog for Skillcourt. While demonstrating the game in the showcase this year over and over again, there was a constant need for, once the game was started, to be paused, and then within that pause function, it would have been great to have a feature to restart the game. Another Arduino-related Wi-Fi issue on the wish list. Currently, you have to upload the Wi-Fi code every time you want to use an Arduino before you can play a game or even go and look for it with the application. We are hoping that this step can be done dynamically through the application and eliminate the need for another manual technical procedure such as this. Lastly, we want the user to have a little bit better of an experience within the Skillcourt application. I think we accomplished a lot to be proud of this semester, so some of the basic user stuff was overlooked because we wanted to make sure that the meat of the application was working and games could be played before putting all this fluff in. These players should be able to maintain a profile where at the very least they can change their email and their password and so on. Also on the subject of password, on the logon screen, a forgot password option is a must to make this application real life. Continuing on, currently the user is only recognized by its email address. We wish that instead of being defined by this, each user selects a username. This will not only create a more friendly environment, but a big part of it is that it will allow coaches and other users to search for their teams or teammates via a username and a list of usernames instead of allowing everyone to access a list of email addresses or have to remember their friend's email address to look them up. More user-friendly and definitely more private, all pluses. Okay, that will conclude the shortcomings and wish list video for SkillCourt 6.0. Thank you for watching.